everyone. My name is Afiq Azwan Bihazami. My metric number is 262249. Today I would like to show to do my English Proficiency 2 video for my assignment. Today I would like I will go to do the trekking for this jungle to see the nature of this forest. Okay, let's go everyone. Hello everyone, welcome back for my I will continue for my video. Okay, behind of me we call this the big tree, we call that tree by the tree because I don't know why, because local people say it's a big tree that found in Sintok forest. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, this the eldest, and this the second one, and this is the youngest, the middle one. Okay. Welcome back everyone. Okay, what you see behind me is a hidden lake at the end. It's quite beautiful, right? And if I'm not mistaken, people say that if we go at here at morning, we can see a beautiful scenery that is with like a smoke. It's too nice lah. It's too cool. Okay. Now you can see a lot of deer, and there's a long horn. So cute, right? Nice, baby, nice. Come on, baby, come on. Come with me. Naughty boy. You look so angry, baby. You can see a nice environment in UUM, and the three of people, they want to play with the ostrich. I don't know what they do with that ostrich. can hear it, the sound of nature, a green environment. Nice view, nice baby, nice. I want to come to that there, but it's too dangerous because I don't know. You can see that deer, right? Look, a small deer. Ah, it's so cute. Look, look, its mother. What it do? Ah, so lazy, so lazy. The nature of UUM. So you can see all the UM have a tree, a big tree along of the pedestrian way. We can see a lot of tree and it's a different type. So you can see a green nature, right? Wow, UM is the best university ever.
Welcome to Titihayon Recreational Forest. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Behind me you can see I present Titihayon, or they call Titihayon Recreational Forest. Why they call Titihayon? This is because it's got this name from a superstition flight located to near place. Okay, I will show for you Titihayon or nature in Titihayon. Okay, now let's go. I will show for you nature. You can see this view, so beautiful. In this place have two public attraction. First, you can see Titi Hayun, and second, that's Tangga Kenari. Now I will show for you Tangga Kenari. Let's go. Okay, interesting of name Tangga Kenari is come from football team Kedah, and this place officially by Datuk Tan Sri Sanusi Junaid. Okay, I will tell you this Tangga Kenari has 1,000 stairs, and so people or visitor like hiking or extreme activity, you must be try and join Tangga Kenari to feel nature and extreme activity. Okay.